I've got a question for you guys. Does your console slide around too easy? And is it missing the very key feet that should be here to keep your console steady and in place? Well, do I have the perfect thing for you? Our own Joe's GE little rubber feet for the Xbox One S and One X. You can get it on our website down below in the description, and I'm going to show you how to put these bad boys on. So you'll get 4 in a little bag. And as you can see, they've got this double-sided tape with the cover on here. So tweezers is definitely the way to go to get this stuff off. Just want to make sure you don't pry the tape up. You just want to get the, let's see if I can get a better angle. You just want to get the cover off here like this. The tape is black, the cover is white. Throw the cover to the side and then grab it with your tweezers as best you can. Boom. Nice little foot right here for your Xbox. So, make sure this focuses. You can see the little gap here. If you need to clean it out, make sure that you want the tape to stick down well. So, maybe grab a Q-tip with some isopropyl alcohol or something to clean it out in here. Make sure it's nice and clean to get a good adhere to the console. Perfect. So you'll have your foot right here with the tape. You're just gonna line it up, plop it in there. It's perfectly measured, beautiful. Maybe push down on it for a second. Boom, look at that, that's beautiful. We'll move along to the next one. Make sure to get underneath. See, like here, I think I'm actually, oh no, I'm good. So you just want to make sure to not pull the tape off, or else you might have to just tape it yourself. But here we go, boom, repeat it, clean that out. Make sure it lines up, push down, boom. 2 out of 4 done. So quick and easy. Everything's set up for you. You don't have to put tape on this stuff. Oh. Yeah, you definitely want tweezers for this. Boom, get underneath that cover, but not the tape. Grab this guy here. Boom. Once again, line it up. Push down on it, make sure it adheres properly. Boom, 1 more to go. One last time, get that cover off. Boom. Clean this guy out. Get some alcohol, actually. This one's a little dirty. Get in there, clean that out. Use the dry side, dry it up. Give it a little blow. Make sure it dries well. Plop that bad boy in there one last time. Push down on it for a couple seconds and boom. Look at this. Flip it back over. Lay it down. It'll still slide a little bit, but it'd be weird if it didn't. But look at that. Now you get a little lift kit on your Xbox. It's looking beautiful. Sweet. Perfect. You can buy these on our website. They're amazing. Shout out to Eddie, probably your favorite tech ninja. He designed it and created them just for you guys so that your Xbox can sit still and have a little bit of a little lift kit going on here. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Enjoy the Xbox stability. Peace out.